Welcome back to Subconscious Unleashed, Unlocking Mind Magic. If you've been following our journey, you now understand the profound influence your subconscious mind has on your life. In Chapter 3, we take it a step further. It's time to learn how to harness the power of positive thinking and use it to reshape your reality. Now, you might be wondering, why does positive thinking matter? Here's why. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. It believes whatever thoughts and emotions you feed it, whether empowering or limiting. Positive thinking isn't just about repeating cheerful phrases. It's about cultivating a genuine mindset shift that aligns with your desires and dreams. Think of your mind as fertile soil. Every thought you have is a seed you plant. When you focus on positive, uplifting thoughts, you're nurturing growth, resilience, and success. But when negative thinking takes over, it's like planting weeds that can choke your progress. So how do you harness this power? It starts with awareness and intention. Every time you catch yourself thinking negatively or doubting yourself, pause, challenge that thought, replace it with something constructive. For example, if you're thinking, "I'm not good enough," transform it into, "I am capable and I'm learning every day." Here are some powerful techniques to embed positive thinking into your subconscious. First, daily affirmations. Repeat empowering statements to yourself every day. These affirmations bypass your conscious mind and plant seeds of confidence and optimism in your subconscious. Next, visualization. Spend a few minutes each day picturing your goals as if they've already been achieved. Feel the joy, pride, and relief. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more your subconscious aligns your actions to make it a reality. And finally, gratitude practice. Take a moment every day to reflect on what you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, priming your mind for more positivity. When you consistently practice these techniques, your mind begins to change. The positive thoughts you feed it become default responses, guiding your actions and attracting positive outcomes in your life. Remember, the journey of harnessing positive thinking isn't just about avoiding negativity. It's about reinforcing positivity so deeply that it becomes second nature. You're not just telling your mind what to believe, you're reprogramming it to believe it wholeheartedly. As we move forward on this path together, know that you already hold the key to change within you. Positive thinking is the tool that unlocks it. Your subconscious is ready to support your highest potential. All you need to do is guide it there. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we explore actionable techniques to reprogram your subconscious for lasting transformation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this journey with others who are ready to unleash their mind's magic. See you in the next chapter.